Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're a little bit too close. Whoa. So today's video is going to be part of my Vlogmas series. It is day 3 right now and I'm doing a winter lookbook. By the way, all of these outfits are my clothes, but they were styled by my sister. Still like my winter lookbook because they are with my clothes. I just wouldn't know like what to make out of my clothes. So I had her style me 6 outfits that she thought was cute, trendy, and in for 2018. I'm wearing one of the outfits right now, so if you would like to see the rest of the outfits, just keep on watching. So this is the first outfit. I just paired this American Eagle long sleeve, like maroon top. Maroon is like fall colors, so it kind of looks like a fall outfit, but it's not. Some light wash Levi jeans with a cute gray scarf from Kohl's, and my black combat boots, which are also from Kohl's. So I'm going to be modeling winter outfits looking like it's fall. The snow melted. There is some snow left. Outfit number 2 is definitely my favorite because I love these kind of big puffy fur hooded coats. This is from Kohl's and it is a cute olive green color with some American Eagle ripped jeans and some suede thigh high boots. I'm actually selling these on Mercury right now, and I also have a whole bunch of other things for sale. These are a size 8. I barely ever wear them. I think I only wear them out once because they are too big for me. Nothing is wrong with them. They're from Pretty Little Things, so definitely be sure to check them out, and the link is in the description. And again, like I said, I'm selling some other things as well. For outfit number 3, I'm wearing a gray hoodie from H&M and this really cute pink scarf. This is either from Kohl's or American Eagle, I can't remember. And I paired that with some light wash denim jeans and my black combat boots from outfit number 1. For my next outfit, I'm wearing this tan colored knit sweater and it has a really cute design on the shoulder. This is from Kohl's and I paired that with some dark minimal ripped Hollister jeans and of course some Uggs. For outfit number 5, I have this lace-up black top from Kohl's, and ignore what I'm saying here because I obviously cut it out, but I have another one of those big puffy jackets in the color black, which is again from Kohl's, and some white jeans with my Timbs. For my last outfit, this is more of a basic outfit, but I have a black zip-up North Face with some light ripped Hollister jeans and some Uggs. Also, I paired this with a really cute hat and scarf set. This is from the brand UGG, and it's actually an early Christmas gift from my boyfriend, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it.